Let's talk about our Pro Equipment Bundle now. Our Pro Equipment Bundle comes with an equipment and a training package, but let me get into specifics about what's actually in here. The Pro Complete, which is obviously the most important kit out of all of our kits. Again, we have variations of it with Ultra Red, Pro Complete. That's what you're looking at right here is the Pro Complete. LT1000 amplifier, mini camera with dye injector, inspection mirror, most important tool in all of leak detection. If this is not in my kit, I will not go out and do leak detection with it. Allows me to see into places that I typically can't. Comes with the pressure rig, comes with the plugs, and comes with what are the most important as far as regular leak detection and a pool spa fountain feature are our hydrophones. Side mic, pool scope, and our pipe mic. Again, different microphones for different applications. Pipe mics to get in pipes, side mics listening on vertical walls, pool scopes drop and drag, listen on self-cleaning heads, anything that might be actually down on the floor. It also comes with a pressure rig for air-water combo, as I explained, deck plate for listening under concrete, and it also comes with the soil probe that you see up front, and that's for listening in grassy areas, in the landscape areas, and areas of such, again, where you have to probe, kind of stick it into the soil and create those noises that you need to hear with the pressure rig. Let's move on right now. And again, in this bag, we like to keep our plugs. So any one of our kits typically comes with this bag. We like to keep our plugs and our pressure testing equipment separate from our electronics as far as that's concerned. So this would be our flash kit, our flash reel. This is a microphone on the end of a long reel, allows you to listen for very, very, very small leaks in large runs. Like example, a skimmer line. We'll run this all the way through and then we'll put it under pressure with the microphone in it. When it's near that leak, it screams and it's twofold. That's what we have the patent on, is the twofold. So we could hear it first, then unplug our listening equipment and send an actual SON signal out of the head, and we take our leak stick and we could put ourselves right over those leaks. It's the only thing on the market that can find multiple leaks in one line. Again, the flash kit comes with accessories and able to get that microphone through. So we have these wood dowels that we suck through. We use our pressure rig with water only. We have all of our plugs that it comes with and all these fittings that make adapting to an existing job really, really easy to do. Comes with the flash sender and everything that's needed. Next, let's move on. Again, we have our plug bag and we're throwing plugs in from multiple kits, but this is our handheld Video Pro. Best camera on the market. It's very versatile. It's very easy to use. There's no big base to carry around. You're literally battery operated and you're carrying it around and you're looking and listening. Again, you don't have to have a whole entire case coming with you. It's able to maneuver through 1.5-inch pipe. I can get it through 5 or 6-inch-and-a-half 90s. It's got a sound head on it that when using with our scanner, you could pinpoint where that camera head is underground, anywhere it is. And again, in depths of up to 25 feet. Again, you can record everything. You can voice record everything and send the report to the customer. It has a date. It has a timestamp. Again, best camera on the market. So because this table is small, we had to throw in the extra kit that comes in this whole bundle, which is the V2. And that's our vinyl liner leak locator. And it's not just for vinyl liner, it can be used with fiberglass pools as well. And again, what it does is it sends an electronic signal into the pool, and using these probes, you will pinpoint with crazy accuracy even the smallest leaks that are happening through the vinyl itself. Again, it comes with the transmitter, it comes with the receiver, it comes with headphones. These kits come complete. It also has our spot mic. Our spot mic is good for pre-testing with the V2. So in other words, as we listen, we put this on the end of a pool pole, plug it into our amp, and we could listen to step tracks. We listen around drains. We listen around all false positives. Anything that's going to give us a false positive, anything that has screws in it or any real grounds. Because again, we could rule that out with our mics and with our spot mic, and then we could put our Vilo V2 to use and pinpoint any of those leaks that need to get found. One other thing that I did not discuss as well when I talked about, and I kind of usually put this in the pressure testing plug category, are these static testing cones, and these are an absolute lifesaver. Again, very inexpensive. They come with most of all of our kits, and these will literally test a line without having to pressure test. So again, it's a static test. We plug them off with solid cones, and then we put a pinhole in front of one that's on the same loop, and we're able to determine whether a line is leaking or not. So this is our Pro Bundle Complete Kit. It comes with the training, and it comes with all the equipment that we're showing you here, and this will literally get you out there and be able to find any leak in any type of pool, commercial, residential, whether it's a stainless steel pool, whether it's a vinyl liner pool, concrete, gunite, or whatever they're making now. And believe me, they're making pools out of all sorts of different stuff. But this is the equipment that will find those leaks and get you paid. This is the Pro Equipment Bundle. This is for the leak detection professional. This isn't for the 1 or 2 leaks a week type of guy. This is for the 2 or 3 leak detections per day company. This has everything needed from video technology, acoustic technology. This is to find a leak in any type of pool. Gunite, fiberglass, steel, it doesn't make a difference. Residential, commercial, doesn't make a difference. This is the equipment that's going to go in and find those leaks.